Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki atugatire na etikia a kanitha wa Methodist uri uri mwena wa Nkobo imenti ya Muhuro county-ini ya Meru hindi igongona ria gukunurwo kwa Reverend Stephen Mawira wa kanitha ucio. Kuma ehitirio ta munini wa President kiambiriria kia mweri wa 11 mwaka muhituku na koretwo agicera county-ini cia Mount Kenya kaigi gukioneka ta atongoria a Kenya Kwanza makoretwo magicuthiriria urugari wa uteti matanacera kuo. Ona kuhana uguo munini wa President erite muingi wa Meru ati ihinda ria mibango ya uthii wa na mbere ni ikinyu.
Kuna mambo mengi sehemu hii ambayo yalikuwa yamekwama kidogo, barabara zingine zilikuwa zimekwama, miradi ya maji ilikuwa imekwama, lakini uchumi sasa umeanza kuimarika, and I want to promise you we will revive all the stalled projects in Meru County.
Na kuona kanitha na ikundi itiganete cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi ikoretwo muharini wa mbere gutetia thirikari muno makiri iguru ria ciiko cio nyitani megwate, Kindiki oritie kanitha wambe urute mugogo maitho-ini maguo utanaruta ihuti maitho-ini ma thirikari.
We are very proud to see the church working together, present and past leaders helping society, helping the church to remain united, because it is only that way that the church can be a strong voice and the church can have a moral authority to correct government.
No na gukiri uguo riri muingi wetereire kuona ikinya riria Odinga ekuoya thutha ake gutungio rukungu kihitahitano-ini kia AUC. Kindiki nioritie Odinga na Ruto kunyitana na kuruta wira mari hamwe.
I pray going forward that the president, the retired prime minister and all leaders present and past will work for national unity so that we can move the development of our country to the next level.
Athiite na mbere na kuga ona thengia ya kiroto kia Ruto na Odinga gia gutua Odinga muikariri giti wa AUC kugia nduma kwina gaceneni nduma-ini iyo.
I just want to thank our president, I want to thank our former prime minister and those who supported our candidate. And even if we did not succeed, I think we came out strongly because we got the support of over 20 African nations. 20 African presidents, more than 20 actually voted for our candidate. And we thank God, hata kama siku yetu haikufika jana, our day will come in future.
Icera-ini ria Kindiki county-ini ya Meru gutire mutongoria ungi uheirwo mweke wa kwaria gukigia ciuria cia kiria gitumire atongoria cio maimwo mweke wa kwariria muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Gitago Muriuki wa Mucoki.